If you're using Events Manager on your site, you can easily connect the service to Thrive Automator so that you get access to Events Manager related actions and triggers in your automation canvas. This way, you will be able to create automations based on events that have been created or updated on your site. I'm gonna quickly show you how to do that. Before we start, you should just make sure that you have installed and activated the Events Manager plugin on your site. And then all you have to do is access Thrive Automator from your list of Thrive products, and then from this dashboard, click on Add New to add a new automation, of course. Right away, you will see that a new category of events and triggers has been added, as we can see here. So with this integration, we will be able to choose from a few different triggers and actions that, as I said, are related to bookings and events that you have created in the Events Manager plugin. Now, as usual, I want to start my automation by naming it, so I'm going to do that from this top left section. As an example, I am going to create an automation that sends a Slack notification to one of my Slack channels whenever a new event is created. Now, as a start trigger, I'm going to click on the Events Manager category and I'm going to choose the Event Created trigger. And now, if you want to only trigger this automation if certain conditions are being met, then you can use this field and create the conditions that you want. However, I'm going to leave it set to always trigger and I'm going to click on done. And as the next action of my automation, I will choose the send notification Slack action. And of course, you will have to select the Slack channel in which the notification is going to be sent and choose a suitable message title. Here you can also use this dynamic data section to include dynamic information in the notification. For example, if I use this title, I will be able to add the event name from this event data section. And also you are able to include more fields by creating key value pairs in this section. For example, we can include information such as the start and end time, the time zone, contact name, and so on. You can use this option to send a test and see if everything has been set up successfully. And now to finish, of course, we're going to click on done here. And if everything looks fine, then I'm going to set the automation to active and then make sure I save it. And as simple as that, whenever a new event is going to be added on my website, that Slack channel will receive a notification with the event details that I have set up. Now, of course, this is just an example of an automation that can be created using Events Manager actions and triggers, but of course, you can create one that fits your own needs. As always, don't forget to check out our knowledge base and YouTube channels, where we have added a long list of possible automations that can be created with Thrive Automator.